The effect of temperature on dissolving sugar. My introduction. Dissolving is a process in which a solid solute mixes with a liquid or solvent to form a solution. Many everyday activities such as making tea, coffee, or soft drinks involve dissolving substances like sugar in water. However, the speed at which a substance dissolves can vary based on different factors, including temperatures. In this experiment, we investigate how temperatures affects the rate at which sugars dissolve in water. Temperature is an important factor because it influences the movement of water molecules. When the water is heated, its molecules move faster, which may help sugar break down and spread more quickly. On the other hand, in cold water, the molecules move more slowly, potentially making the dissolving process take longer. By conducting this experiment, we aim to determine whether sugar dissolves faster in hot, room temperature, or cold water. The results can help us understand the role of temperature in chemical and physical changes in everyday life. Here are the steps and processes to conduct this experiment. Materials needed are 3 clear glasses or cups, water, hot and room temperature and cold, sugar, same amount for each test, spoon for stirring, and stopwatch or timer. Procedure: fill 3 glasses with equal amounts of water, 1 with hot water, 1 with temperature water, 1 with cold water. Add the same amount of sugar, 1 teaspoon to each glass. Start the timer as soon as you add the sugar. Stir each glass the same number of times, 5 times to keep it consistent. Record how long it takes for the sugar to completely dissolve in each glass. Repeat the experiment 2 to 3 times for accuracy and take an average time. As the expected results, sugar in hot water should dissolve the fastest, while sugar in room temperature water should dissolve at a moderate rate. On the other hand, sugar in cold water should dissolve the slowest. Here is a data table of effect of temperature on dissolving sugar. Hot water, time taken to dissolve is 10 seconds, while room temperature 25 degrees Celsius takes 30 seconds. Cold water with 5 degrees Celsius 90 seconds, hot water with 60 degrees Celsius 12 seconds, room temperature with 25 degrees Celsius 32 seconds, cold water with 5 degrees Celsius 95 seconds. Calculations for averaging the results. Hot water 10 seconds plus 12 seconds divided by 2 is equals 11 seconds. Room temperature water 30 seconds plus 32 seconds divided by 2 equals 31 seconds. Cold water 90 seconds plus 95 seconds divided by 2 equals 92.5 seconds. Summary of results. Hot water with 60 degrees Celsius, average timer for sugar to dissolve is 11 seconds. Room temperature water with 25 degrees Celsius, average time for sugar to dissolve 31 seconds. And cold water with 5 degrees Celsius, average time for sugar to dissolve is 92.5 seconds. Conclusions from the data. The results of the experiment confirms the hypothesis at temperature plays a significant role in rate which sugar dissolves in water as expected. Sugar dissolves in water Sugar dissolved fastest in hot water due to the increased molecular movement. Sugar dissolved at a moderate rate in room temperature water. Sugar dissolves slowest in cold water, as the molecules had less energy and moved more slowly. These findings are consistent with the specific principle that heat increases with the kinetic energy of molecules, which helps to break down and dissolve substances like sugar more efficiently. Sources of error. Possible sources of error that might have influenced the results include stirring consistency, variations in stirring speed or techniques could have affected the dissolution rate. Measurement of water temperature. Inaccurate measurement of water temperature could have caused slight discrepancies in the expected results. Sugar type. If different types of sugar were used in any of the trials, the dissolution rates may vary. Environmental factors. Change in the room's temperature or air currents could have impacted the experiment's result. Recommendations for future experiments. Use a thermometer to more precisely measure the water temperature. Conduct the experiment in a controlled environment to eliminate external temperature variation. Repeat the experiment multiple times to obtain more reliable and consistent result. Additional notes to this experiment is a simple practical demonstration of how temperature affects the dissolving process, which can be applied to various real-world scenarios like cooking or industrial processes. And here are the references. Chang, R, and here is a photo of me conducting this experiment. Thank you for watching my research PowerPoint presentation video. Goodbye.